March 4th, Saturday. And it's lunchtime, and we're going to have breakfast for lunch. And we're using Clearwater Meats, bacon. We take this bacon, and we put it in these pans. And we bake it 375 degrees in the oven. And just like that, the bacon is lined up. 5, 10, 14 pieces of bacon. Best bacon in the area. Because I'm a bacon snob. And when you put them in the bacon, it doesn't get all greasy. And now for my pancakes. I got this from King Arthur. Simply Perfect Pancakes. Pretty tasty. I don't have malted milk, but I do have buttermilk powder. Might use that today. Very easy. And I use Whole Foods organic whole milk. And I get these eggs from Garden Patch. Pasture raised, non-GMO, farm fresh from the Schwartz family over in Mentone, Indiana. You might see me using a lot of Pampered Chef products. That's because they really do last a long time. I've had these since 2005, almost 20 years. And I still use my bowl. Just thought I'd let you know. And it calls for sugar, 2 tablespoons. I like to keep vanilla beans in my sugar, so that's what I use, vanilla flavored sugar. So I've mixed all my dry ingredients, my flour, my salt, my sugar, and my baking soda in my bowl. And now I'm going to take this dry ingredients and stick it over here in the wet ingredients. This is a balloon whisk, so you'll get more air, more volume. And that's what I use. Supposed to do this up and let the mixture sit for 15 minutes. And when we return, we'll be on the griddle. 15, 20 minutes in, we got crispy bacon. Delicious. Yeah. All right, on the griddle, we got pancakes. We got our eggs. I got pancakes in there staying warm. And the bacon is all done, sitting out here, dripping off the fat. And we're about ready to eat brunch. And this is the end of the brunch video. Look at that organic syrup. Maple syrup. It's March. Pretty soon we're going to have maple festivals going on.